Hello folks, I'm your old friend Roger from University of Waterloo and Primary Institute, although I'm mostly known as the quantum guy in Julia community, but today I'll introduce a new package as full stack solution for building command line interface in Julia. I initially developed this package for my own use, since lots of numerics I do requires terminal interface. So creating a CLI in Julia has been quite painful. Here I list a few points that has been quite painful for me before I create this package. First and most frequently encountered is the latency issue. That's well known. Julia has quite bad startup latency due to just-in-time compilation, and because some of the compile results is not cached, it's usually going to be quite slow for scripting or this CLI applications. And the second is I find I keep repeating myself while using other CLI generators. Usually, for example, the Julia docstring for the function you write is usually duplicated or overlapping with the CLI manual you're going to write. On the other hand, in the CLI manual, you already specify which one is the short command or short option, but you still have to repeat that in the corresponding configuration, and so on and so on. So this is really unpleasant. I would like to change that. The third one is the error handling. So a lot of CLI application use the exit, which is actually quite bad because it doesn't really give you stack trace when it errors. And it doesn't really handle the error. It just terminates the program with 0. So we cannot actually handle errors as well in Comonicon. And the fourth is it's usually hard to share to the users of your from a CLI generator. This is mainly because most of the CLI generator in Julia doesn't really handle the environment. So usually user cannot reproduce your CLI or set up your CLI without handling the environment themselves. And code quality. So I realized some of the packages are not actually actively maintained anymore. For example, fire.jl has not really been maintained or updated for new features for quite a while. And last one is also something I found very convenient for CLI is the shell auto completion. I haven't seen any CLI generators in Julia that actually handles that. And I believe as a terminal guy, this is super important for a CLI application. And currently, Comonicon handles both SSH and bash auto-completion and generate directly from your Julia script. And we actually aim to solve all of the problems above. Although the goal is very ambitious, but how to use Comonicon is actually super simple. You only need to know two macros. One is a cast, the other is main. Cast is for multiple commands, and main is for a single command or your command entry. So here is a quick example of what the CLI script and what the general CLI manual looks like. On the left-hand side is the complete CLI script. As you can see, this is just a normal Julia function with docstring, and you only need to add a main macro in front of it. However, we are able to automatically parse and trying to understand the specific docstring format. And so on the right-hand side, you can see we actually generate a very nice and colorful CLI manual page that actually have the correct hint of the options and the flags and the automatically generated help command flag and the version flag, for example, the command hint, and this is your docstring that turns into the manual description of your command. To utilize the full power of Comonicon, we recommend you to actually create a Julia project, which we call a Comonicon application. This will help you create a CLI application that unlocks the following feature. First is the environment handling that handles both the CLI script environment and the corresponding application environment. Second is the system image build and shipping, as well as application build and packing. Also, shell auto-completion and control the syntax of printing. Also, we cache the generated CLI compile results so that this improves the latency of your CLI application, especially when your CLI application doesn't depend on a lot of other packages. Here's an example of how the builder CLI looks and what's the corresponding command looks like to pack or build system images. You can also access that directly from your REPL by accessing the Comonicon install command function. So that you can either use it from the REPL or from the CLI. How does it work in general? We actually create something called a Comonicon IR, an intermediate representation to handle the semantics of CLI interface, command line interface, which can be parsed from a normal Julia expression, which can be a function or a module, and the other part is from Julia docstring, so we can also try to understand the docstring you write and combine with the Julia expression you write, and then this allows us to give us enough information to generate the specialized CL parsing code that has very low latency, and even you can get rid of the dependency of Comonicon itself. Or we can generate batch or ZSH auto-completion from it. And finally, this also gives you a formatted help page. And alternatively, if you don't really like the interface, you can also generate the Comonicon IR directly by hand. And then this also gives you a much more flexible way to create the corresponding CLI by yourself. So in the end, Comonicon has a few friend packages. This includes some more advanced feature for metaprogramming or option configuration and functional programming infrastructure. So Xpronicon and Xpronicon Lite is the package I create for metaprogramming on Julia expression with ML style powered pattern matching, and this package is built on top of ML style as a standard library for ML style for metaprogramming. Also, we bootstrapped Xpronicon Lite out of Xpronicon to get rid of ML style dependency, so the startup time can be super fast for Xpronicon Lite. Which makes Xpronicon Lite a dependency of Comonicon. And second, the configurations package is something we get out of from the Bluetooth notebook package, which make options configuration very easy to define as a schema. So this is also how we configure a Comonicon project. By writing a comonicon.toml file. And last is the ML style infrastructure that implements the meta language syntax in Julia for functional programming. So if you're interested in how all this works, feel free to check this package as well. Thanks.